Yo, 𝐂𝐿 over here, and this right here is Mercedes-Benz CLA200 in absolutely stunning electric pink custom paintwork. This unit is absolutely the most fully done up CLA on the market. Let's check it out. Just have a look at this beauty. Comes with a starburst grille and a full CLA45 AMG Bodykit with the front car nuts as well. 18-inch multi-spoke AMG Sport rims. We have AMG side skirt as well, guys. Just look at this paintwork. The color is absolutely stunning, and this paint job is very expensive. It shines very beautifully in the light, and unfortunately, I don't think the video is truly doing it justice. You must see for yourself in person. Behind we have AMG bumper as well with the diffuser. Also we have a very nice boot lip to complement the look, but this car is even more impressive on the inside. So now let's go in. All right, we're inside, and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. As I told you guys, this car is fully done up and the interior is very beautiful. First things first, we have carbon fiber flat bottom AMG steering wheel, which is multifunctional and comes with pedal shifters as well. Something you probably never seen in a CLA before. Fully digital speedometer cluster. Look how cool it looks. By the way, got many different patterns for you to choose from. You can select it to your liking, but personally I really like this. We have upgraded aircon vents that come with ambient light as well, and full interior ambient light on the front panel, on your doors, even behind as well, and footwells. The color of ambient light can be changed to your liking. Got many different kind of pattern, blinking to a music, etc. But personally I really like this. Of course, CLA comes with semi-bucket sport seats. Both driver and passenger sides are fully electric and come with memory settings as well. We also have black color roof liner, very nice, very sporty, very premium. A place to store your sunglasses, of course, very important in Singapore. Yeah, I mean, have a look. Honestly, being inside, it feels as though this car is 10 years newer than it really is. I mean, really, very nice driving this. So, how guys? I told you, right, this car is very impressive on the inside as well. On COE, we still got 8 years and 7 months left. A lot of time for you to enjoy this beautiful ride. You all know what to do. Call me and we'll give you a good deal.